Hi everyone, Missy here. I saw that a lot of you guys are talking about the easiest way to copy and paste your party posts, saving them as a text replacement in the keyboard settings. So this is for the iPhone that I'm going to be doing this for to show you. And I'm going to show you if you already have a Facebook group set up, and if you do not, then you can just kind of save them in the notepad first, and you can set up your text replacements that way. So I have a separate party set up. This is just like a closed mock party of mine, and this is where I save things for my website and then things for Color Street. So let's just say we want to copy, I'll just copy this one. Okay, party post number 8. This is a good one to show you because as you can see, I do have a link in this one. What you're going to do is you're going to just hold down and you're going to copy this. And then we're going to go into the settings. And we're going to go into general, and you're going to go into keyboard. From here, what you want to hit is you want to hit text replacement. And as you see, I have a couple set up for my other site that I have running. You can go ahead and hit the plus sign and you're going to add one. So we're going to call this, I like to do like shortcuts, really shortcuts, and things that I would not ever normally type. So that was party post 8. So I'm going to do PP8, right? So anytime I hit PP8, actually, let me rephrase that. That's going to go down here. PP8, right? Party post 8. Anytime I type PP8 somewhere, then all of this is going to come up, right? So we're going to paste it. Now we're just going to save that. And I'm just going to go ahead into Facebook, and I'm going to go to, let me get out of this. Well, I'll just stay in this. Pretend like this is your mock party. I'm sorry, not your mock party, your real party that you have set up for somebody, right? And you wanted to go ahead and schedule out PP8. Since this phrase, this big post that I have does have a link in there, you want to hit your photos first. And you want to go ahead and add in any of the photos you have. I have also, as you can see down here, a Color Street album. And I can actually pick the ones that I want to pick. And I think that was these pictures, because they were about the different sizes. So I'm going to hit done. And then I'm going to type in here PP8. And as you can see, down at the bottom above the numbers 4, 5, and 6, see the little high heel? There are the replacement instead of having it actually post PP8. The only thing I can see what's happening is it's not saving it with the spaces that you have. So you might have to just kind of come back through and space it like this. But you'll want to make sure that you do it this way first if it's a post that you have a link in there. And then you can go ahead and schedule it for whatever time it is that you're going to do it for. Let's just say Tuesday, November 3rd, 7:59, right? Save, and then you can go ahead and schedule it. And now it's scheduled. If you ever need to look at your scheduled post, just in the upper right corner, hit that little shield with the star, and you can see scheduled posts. And you can edit that. If you scheduled it on your PC, you can only edit on your PC. If you scheduled it on your phone, you can only edit it on your phone. So now let's go back and let's say that you don't have a mock party set up. You're just brand new and you're trying to set everything up. I'm going to go to my notepad, and here you can see I have some other notes. Here's a welcome post. So this is where you could actually sit here, take the time, type out what you want to type out, your welcome post, your party post 1, your party post 2, whatever the case is. Type them all out and have everything here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do pretty much the same thing, right? We're going to copy. Oh, uh-oh. I think if this one's kind of a little funny sometimes. There we go. Select all. And we're going to copy it. And we're going to go back into our settings. And we're already in here. I'll just go back out again for you. Settings, general, keyboard, text replacements. And we're going to add a new one. Now this is going to be the welcome post. I'm going to paste it up here. And then the shortcut I'm going to do for welcome, I'll do welcome. Oh, welcome. WLCM. So these are just things that I know that I'm not going to normally type on my keyboard, and it's not going to mess me up. So we will save that one. And we're going to go back into Facebook, and we're going to pretend we're in our actual party that we're setting up. We want to set up the welcome post. Now, as you saw, this one did not have a link in it yet, so you don't have to worry about putting the photos in first. I can just type in WLCM, and you see right there above the RSTY above my keyboard, see how it says a mani-pedi? If I click that right there, there is the entire welcome post. And again, as of right now, I think we are going to have to still just kind of come back and separate things how you want them. So you will have to kind of respace them out. It might take a minute, but that is how you will do your text replacement. And then you can just go back to photos. I can go to my Color Street album, pick out my welcome photos, which for me are down here. Welcome to Color Street, ready to try, want Color Street, and our team. And then make sure that they're in the layout that I want them in. You can also at this point just click on each photo and add your captions, because sometimes you want a caption like ready to order here. You're going to want to go ahead and put, here is Rosetta's link, blah blah blah, and then you'll want to put your party link in there. Once you finish your captions, you can go ahead and hit done, and you're going to schedule it out for whenever you need it scheduled out for. Friday, October 16th, 10 p.m. save, and I'm going to post, and you're all set. And you can go in here and just see the two that are scheduled and fix them if you have to fix them, if you have to do anything like that. So I think that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you need help with anything else, any kind of tutorial, I will be more than happy to make one.